Hello everybody, welcome to SciTech Studio, and today I am going to unbox this drone. Is of Syma X15W. So let's unbox this. Now let's open the box. Before that, let's look at some of the specifications and features of the drone. 1 key takeoff and 1 key landing. You can take cinematic shots with 360-degree flip feature. And the most important one is that it has a HD camera, so that you can take some stunning videos and shoot some brilliant photos. So another feature of this drone is that you can control it with the help of your mobile phone. To do that, you have to install Syma Go app, or you can scan the QR code, or you can download it from the Play Store. Link is in the description below. It looks nice that they have sent extra propellers and a charging cable. Now let's take a look at the drone. The build quality of the drone looks nice and good. And you can see there is a HD camera as mentioned. Here is the mobile clamp to attach your phone. You can attach it like this way. So here is the remote controller. You have to connect the phone to see what's going inside through the drone camera, and you have to connect it through Wi-Fi, which will be provided automatically by the drone. And the most important part is that there is also a user manual, which many users doesn't read it, but I recommend you that you should read the manual before you fly the drone, or you will have to crash the drone. And so here is the battery slot. The company have provided with a rechargeable battery, so you have to connect it like this way. Now let's put the battery inside the drone, and now let's put the battery inside the controller. I recommend you to buy ever-ready heavy-duty batteries. It will last long, so you do not have to purchase it again and again. And here is the charger to charge the drone battery. It took 100 minutes to charge, and the flight time is almost 7 minutes. So now the drone is ready and ready to take off. So let's get to the ground, and since one of my friends is an expert in flying this drone, so he will fly and show you how you can fly and also give a small tutorial. So let's take it off.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone.
So if you are interested to watch this drone with some cinematic shots, then please subscribe to his channel, Aman Shiraj. So here is the quick and short unboxing video of Syma X15W quadcopter. Hope you have liked the video. I would like to thank Aman for giving his drone, and please subscribe to his channel Aman Shiraj, link in the description below. So with that said, I am signing off. See you in the next video. Till then, subscribe the channel for more updates and please like and share this video. Thank you.